Hello, hello. Hi. Hello. Hello, hello. Anybody in chat? It seems like not. Well then. Hmm. It seems like lately this has been happening quite often, where there is no one in chat. Let me play around a little bit with some stuff. Okay, that looks good. Very nice, I would say. Okay, and then let's do my usual ritual and play a little bit of Russian roulette with the workshop items. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. So, what will I get today? Oh, whoa. Hello? Penguin. It's kinda cute. Is it a penguin or a now? That's quite the question. It's cute. It kinda matches with my colors, which is pretty nice, I would say. Okay then, let me switch to the game dev room, I mean. Let's see. Okay, let me grab my cup. There we go. Like that looks fairly good, I would say. Okay then. So, last time we were working on fixing the AI, and I discovered I needed to solve a lot more of issues here and there. So yeah, I had made these prefixes so I can handle sprites better, if I remember correctly. Okay, let me add another one. This is for state. Okay. Okay. Let's add one for attacking. And I will just set it as 80k. And let's make one more for interrupt that. Call it int. Okay, so I was using this. It's sprite. Then I just need to do it like this. And I just need to change the names of the sprites. Eh, okay, interrupt. And second, let me silence my phone. I don't know why I always forget to do it. Okay, so this is supposed to be called slime underscore int d. And this is supposed to be int l. And this is supposed to be int r. Finally, this is supposed to be int u. Like that. And I can remove this. Oh, I couldn't quite remove this one. Switch, I mean. What's up, cat? ¿Qué pasó, gatito? What's up, cat? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me let my cat out. I'll be right back. 1 second. 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, maybe I should post some pictures of my cat on Twitter. So you can get some faces to the cats. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that's the one I just did. This one are goods. I can probably do this one right here. I can just set like this. And I need to modify the one for attack. This will be called slime 80k D. Okay, and this will be known as attack 80k L. Slime attack R. Slime attack up. There we go. And since I have that, this is going to be basically the same thing. I can just say var, let's go sprite equals to this, and then I just assign this one right here, and I can remove these ones. I can probably simplify this a little bit more. Something like speed, horizontal speed and vertical speed to 0. And then I can remove the zeros here. Like that. That looks fairly good, I believe. And probably I can do the same thing over here. And then I just remove the zeros. I can close that. For some reason it's not detecting this one, but it will eventually. Okay, what else? Now I believe it's time for me to modify the movements. Okay, so we have this where we detect the distance to the player in X and Y. Then we check direction using this formula. Then we just check if we hit a wall. This part of the code, it won't be necessary anymore because we are calculating the paths. Come here, Mike. Okay. This is the moment when we set up the attack right here. Here is where we decide which way the enemy will be moving towards. Okay, so this is the code that moves the enemy. So what I want to do here, let me remove the comments. Okay. So this is to interrupt the path, right? Okay. This is just the book log. And it has the interruption. I believe there is a better option for this one. Yeah, probably I should just stop the path. Okay, so here we calculate the path. Here we check if there is a valid path. If there is, we start walking through it. And for this to work, we need to be in the hunting state. So I can remove this. So I just need to check if state is state.hunting. And we do this, right? We create a path. If it doesn't exist, then we calculate distance, and if there is a path, we start moving. Right? Ugh. And this one is the interrupt. This one should be running before everything else. Right there. And then here is where we calculate paths. And here is where we start the paths. Okay, we don't want to be calculating the path every time when we are hunting, but once every second or so. So I think I need going to set a variable. What would be nice? Okay, let me see the enemy. Objects slime. Okay, so these values. I think I need to add it over here. recalculate paths. And we make this an integer. Okay. That means over here I can check if recal paths greater than 30 for now. We do this and set recall path equals to 0. In theory, that should work. I just need to stop this one. Let's see. How does that do? Okay, he can attack. But it seems like it's not quite calculating the paths. Let me see. Let's set the law to let's see. What about this? It seems like... Oh, I see. Because I... Did I commented? I did not. Maybe it's because the state is not counting? Let me see. But logs is not being shown, so it's not entering the hunting state, maybe. How about this? Oh, it's because this is not ticking, so I can just set recall path plus like that, and then it should start working now.
E.
Hello. Hi. Welcome. Okay, a little mistake there. Hello, welcome. I'm trying to integrate the movements. That I had with the one we made. I can move this over here like that, and I don't need this variable either. You think this is a problem? Really? Because on the previous movement system, it also moved like diagonally. Well, yeah, you're right. That's probably an issue. Ah, it's stuck. Alright, I forgot. The slime don't respawn so easily. Sadly. What happened there? Trying to delete no system path. Oh, I see. I need to grab this and go over here to the enemy parent on path ended. Let's do that. ah. It seems those two got stuck. Ah. And those two got stuck. Yeah, basically, that's what it does. I did set a reset variable, so it recalculates every so often. Right now it's set to 30 steps, so it doesn't quite do its job perfectly, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Okay. How do I stop a path again? Path end. Okay, so let me. Okay. Set this to make sure it ends the path correctly, just in case. And I have not yet looked into checking direction, but I can set it so it doesn't do diagonals. Let me check. What was the variable? Okay, and path start was what again? Okay. This one is supposed to be true. And this one is blah. It needs to be false. Okay, and actually I can just delete this one and I don't need this one here. And I can call this one over here and we set the change of state right there. Yeah. Oh. Oops. Engine. Okay, now it's only moving the way I want it to move. Still not stopping when I wanted it to stop. I'm recalculating the path fairly well. The issue is more about the fact that it's not stopping when I want it to stop. I think I can calculate it. I believe I saw some variables for the position of the objects in the path algorithms in the manual last time, so I probably just need to check that. This one is wrong. Okay. Safe travels. See you later. Bye bye. See you later. Good luck. Good luck. Okay. This seems to be working correctly. Oh, now that worked. Quite nice. Interesting. Let's check what's in the variable. Log equals to this. This place. Oh, it's maybe because I had not enabled the book. Let me check. Enemy slime. The book will set it to true. Just so I can check. It's actually checking fairly often. I see it doesn't find a path there. Maybe the grid is a bit too small. That could be it. Where did I make the grid again? I believe it was on the object manager on run start. Left top 18 real visual cell weight. Okay, so I can set this to 16. To make it make more sense. Okay, this one. Tail size, I will set it to 16 also. Okay, this should work in theory. I exited by mistake. Huh, I did find a path right there. Okay, it seems like the pathfinding is working better. Which is nice. Okay, the pathfinding seems to be working fairly well. Ah. That doesn't seem to be working as I expected. When it's just one, it seems to be working fairly well. Hmm. Okay. It seems the only issue is when there is too many slimes in the room. Maybe. I'm not quite sure actually. Yeah, they got stuck right there. All three. Hmm. I'll create parallel tree holes. Let's add the holes. I believe that's what they were called, right? Let's see. Let me fix my mic a little bit. Okay. Rooms 400. Holes, yeah. Let's see. That should make the slime avoid the holes. If I'm correct. Hmm. Ah, shit. Ah, I didn't mean to kill it. Yeah, those got stuck right there. Hmm. Really? Huh. Okay, let me check if I can add a little bit more information. So, how about I modify this a little bit so I can see a bit more the book info? Hmm. Actually, I can move this. Like that. And then I can just check here. Like that. And this. Okay. For a moment it didn't have a valid path. I saw that. Yeah, it doesn't have a value path for some reason. Because it ends on a spot where the path cannot generate a new location. Oh, so there are some spots where it cannot make a path. Huh, interesting. Is he stuck? Yeah, it looks stuck. That's sad. Now he's not stuck. If I stand here, he can get a path. Huh. Or there he can. Okay, maybe I'm not cleaning the obstacle matrix correctly. Maybe I should recalculate the whole path when an instance is destroyed. Should that be better, maybe? Let me drink. Okay. What is the false value for? Ah, I see. Hmm. Okay, so I start to think I maybe need to recalculate the grid every so often. Hmm. So maybe I should make this function. The more I think about it, the more I think I should. Okay, so is there a way to check if there is a grid? Grid destroy, but cell instances, clear cell, grid draw. What is this? Ah, I see. So I can grab this and go to over here. And just put it there. Okay, so I can add this over here, so it calculates the grid. How can I check if a grid exists? Uh-huh. Hmm. You see, it seems like there is no function to check if the grid exists, which is pretty annoying, I must say. Okay. How about I make a function for that then? Function destroy grid, and I'm just going to check if global grid not equals to none, destroy the grid. That way I can know for sure that the grid will be destroyed and I won't get an error if it's not there. Okay. That means I can now generate the grid whenever necessary. I could set it to recreate every so often. Maybe not on the enemies or on the game manager. Maybe I can step back. How about every 15 frames? Calculate grade path. And I will set this to plus, and here I just set it to 0 like that, and I can add this to this side. I will just call this like that. Let me see. Let me check how I manage the variables over here. Like that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is over here in the calculations, I'm going to check over here. Wait, there is one for the global variables, right? I remember seeing somewhere. Maybe it was on the player. I don't like when I keep forgetting how to do specific things every now and then. There we go, global variable. And this we go to pathfinding. And I just set this right there. If this exists. If it doesn't exist, we just return. Okay, that should do it. I see. Okay, I need this. But over here in the draw from the game manager, global.grids. Oh, wow! That looks quite nice, I must say. Huh. That's interesting. The area that is being blocked doesn't quite match the location of the objects. Huh. Interesting. So if I stand here, for example, it doesn't know what to do. Or over here. But if I destroy the barrels, now he does. Everything is slightly bit off the location I want it to be. Huh. Okay. What about if I set this rather than where is it? From start. I should probably move over here. Right here. Seriously? Okay. Let's set this over here. Cell size, I will set it to, by default, let's set it to 16 for now. And here I'm going to try with 8. Maybe this will give me better results. And I can declare here bar size. That should make it easier on me. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Yeah, everything is a little bit off for what I can see. Did you get stuck? Ah, I killed it. Okay, I see. That's not quite working as I intended. Let me see, how about if I, for now, cancel this? Let's see. Yeah, those are very off. Especially the ones below, these ones are way off. Let's see. You can actually search for me there, which is interesting. That's so weird. The collision is correct. Hmm. Maybe I should do a little bit of research about this. Okay, this is pretty weird. You're supposed to do this kind of stuff right here. Maybe just the draw that is off. It happened to me before with the pulse, where things were not in the correct position. For example, here you should mark this area as the collision box, but when I see it over here, it's quite off. Huh. Let's see, let me grab a different room. By one should be good enough. Actually, 60, 61, 70, 71, 62 probably is 61. I mean, yeah, 61. Okay, so I'm going to place 3 barrels. One right there, one right here, and one below. Then I will add a crate, another one, and one more. Let's check how the pathfinding shows that. Excuse me, passing through. Huh. Even though they are not that different, the offset increases as the sprite is further down, which is pretty weird. The collision box seems to be working correctly. Is it just the sprite drawing things wrong? Huh. That's so weird. Let's see. What if I do this? Okay. Okay, so if I stand here, yeah, it's hitting the... Oh. Yeah, it's crashing with the barrel. What the actual hell? Hmm. Let's see. How about if I in the pathfinding I add the slimes? Object underscore slime. Now it cannot move because it is considered itself as part of the obstacles. What if I trigger that? What if I place this line at the bottom? Like right there? Well, actually, I think that's a little bit too close. If I disable this, just place it like there. That's interesting. It cannot move. Huh. Well, let me enable this for now. And we will remove this line. And let me just adjust the slime so it does its animations well for now. So what I'm going to do is here we will recalculate the direction. For that, I can use this. Okay. Let me do a function similar. But this time I'm going to use the variables for the pathfinding. What the planning linear step. And linear step objects. Okay. Not what I want, but it's interesting. Okay. So okay. So this basically checks for collisions. Oh, what is this? Functions that work with parameters. Cross step ahead. Hmm. Hello, welcome. I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with the movement. Well, some progress, not perfect, but we're getting there, for sure. Okay. Mm, start and go path asset, path points, path properties, path editing, toolbox. Okay, I believe there should be a variable called we have x and we should have previous x. There is. I can just use this function right here to check the movement. And what I'm going to do is check this x against the previous x. And I will do the same for the y. Y previous. 0 is a change. Above 0 is going right. Under 0 is going left. Here 0 is no change. Greater than 0 would be going down, and this would be up. Okay, so we check distance in x. Greater than 0 should be with right. Okay. Under 0 should be going left. Actually, I already have it set right there. Like that. And I can just call this function over here. Okay, that should give us movement for the... it did not. Yeah. For some reason the grid is not getting calculated correctly. For example, there it goes stuck, which is weird. Also, the diff should be getting calculated, or for some reason it's not. Object enemy. Okay, I want to know the dir. Alright, I forgot. This is going to be over here. And let me add more. We will call this dir. How did I call that? Get underscore dir prefix for dir, please. Okay, let's see. Down. Okay, for some reason it's not calculating the direction. Huh. This triggers when we're hunting. This is being called. Is this not triggering? Let's see. How about if I check this? String X plus this plus string X previous. Shouldn't that be changing? It doesn't work because they are the same. Lovely. Let's see. Let me check pathfinding. I'm going to change the cell size to 16 because it was working better then. And how do I check the position? Game maker add direction, path orientation. No, that's not what I want. X scale, path speed, is using expression path speed. There is a variable called direction. Okay, so we have a variable called direction. Direction. Let me see what's in here. let's switch this to string. Actually, let me just copy this string direction. Okay, this would be 40. No. Am I missing something? Line of oh, I see. It's because I left the variable there. Okay. Ah. Okay. 180. If it goes the other direction. At 0. Okay. Up is 90. Okay. Up is 90. Left is 180. Down is 270, I believe. Yeah. Okay. I can use that. I can use a switch. Here. And we will use direction. And case 0. That would be right, I believe. That means 180 is left. And we said 270 is down. And case 90 would be up. Okay, let me sort this real quick. And we add a break. And we just switch the direction for each of these. Okay. This would be right, up, left, down. And I don't need this. So that should be correct. There we go. It looks a bit weird, but it works. Kinda. It seems there are these weird moments where it doesn't quite know what direction is going when it turns. I see a moment where the angle is not quite correct. Yeah. There are some moments where the angle is not right, but that's why it doesn't change the... Okay. Okay, maybe I can make this more precise. I just need the code I just deleted. Actually, no. I need a piece over here. I'm just going to say direction minus 0, and I will call this to right, and we have then 90, 180, and 270. This to right, this to up. Let's just use one letter. Up, distance to left, and distance to down. From here, I just need to find the smallest one. And we would say... R underscore small. We will assume that right is the correct, and then we will check. If small is bigger than this hue, we will set underscore small as this hue. I need to set here equals to here dot right, and if this is not the smallest one, we set it to up. If left is the smallest one, we set it to left, and this is left. If down is the smallest one, set it to down. That way it should change directions correctly, I believe. There we go. That looks quite nice. Right? That looks way, way, way better. I wish it didn't get stuck like that. Yeah, there is stuck. Hmm. Hmm. How do I fix this? Because the pathfinding is working correctly, the issue is that the matrix, this thing is not correct, which is an issue. It's an issue. That's what I thought at the same before. Making it smaller maybe would make it more precise. The issue is that, for example, if I set it to a smaller size, for example this, it doesn't really help. Well, maybe it helps a little bit, but it's not perfect. Yeah, for example, if I lure the slime over here and I run over here in here, the slime loses track of me. And if I leave, he finds me again. He got stuck right there, for example. That should be happening. There he got stuck again, trying to move through the gap right there. Hmm. Also, when it falls in those areas, in the red areas, it cannot get out on its own. Here, for example, he lost track of me, right there. But if I step out, he finds me. Right now, stuck in a barrel. But it slowly is going through. There. You see how it is not doing the pattern correctly? For some reason. Hmm. Actually, I'm not sure if I can make the line thicker because it's doing this, for example, calculating movement like this. What I can do is make the grid the same size as the tile set, for example, like this. Right? That way it doesn't go to certain places. Yeah, it's a little bit off, and I don't know why. They're now stuck. Hmm. Yeah, it's 32 right now. It should be the same size as the tile set. But it's not quite correct. To 31? Okay, that... Maybe I'm calculating the grid wrong? Huh. Wait, 1 second. What's happening here? Horizontal, vertical, set width and height. Okay, this is correct. This should be 32. It's because it's calculating against the height. Oh, I forgot to remove the manual. Yeah. Here you can see that is calculating against the height of the room. So this should be the size of the grid, right? This is the size of the cells. And we start on the corner on 0, 0. What is happening exactly? So they show... If I destroy this one, we can see that this one is marking both. this one is just marking 1. This is slightly marking 2. If I kill this one, those two should be marked. But this one up here are not marking correctly. This one should not be marked right there. If I set it to 16, it's a bit more precise, but not by much. These one are not at all correct right here. Just like this one. Huh. What am I doing wrong here? What if I make this one? It would be pixel perfect. It's extremely heavy. Nah, that's not working. How about 4? Now that's interesting. It's way more precise, but it's still not doing it correctly. Hold on, let me check something. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm starting to feel the same, actually. Okay, how about if I go over here to the any parents and just set this. Right, it needs to be the entity parent. Entity parent, like that, and well, no, actually, any parent. And I'm going to inherit, please. And I will set my own debug. Like that. And I will just check the path exists before I call the function. That should give us the path for the enemy. I see. True. There we go. Now we got the path the enemy is calculating. You can see it's actually doing it correctly. Oh, actually the issue is the size of the collision box. Because, for example, that right there should not be a valid path. Okay, let's see. Okay, so maybe the size for the enemy should dictate the size of the grids. So if my enemy is right here, it's 32 by 32, but it's not quite exactly that. It's not the same size as the This is 20 by 24, 14, 15. 15 by 18 by 21. I could just set it to 32. Where are you? So that should be the correct. It shouldn't get stuck in anything like this, but it's not a guarantee that it got stuck. Oh, actually they couldn't find a path. There, it managed to hit me. Right, here is impossible to get. which is not quite correct still. Right? Because Terra should be able to be hit like that. This way I kinda guarantee that it won't get stuck, I believe. I could actually just clear it over here. Like, come here. Yeah, this way it doesn't get stuck at all, it seems. Unless it jumps into a spot like those where it can't get out. Yeah, that is stuck. What do I do here? Let me think. Maybe I could make it dynamic. What's up, cat? My cat is looking at me like I'm crazy. What do you want? Hold on, my cat wants to leave. 1 second, I'll be right back. Shh. What are you doing? Okay, so let's see. I can make it a bit more dynamic. If I do it like this, cell size, width and height, and I will add it right here. Okay, and this will be for width, this will be for height. this will be 8 and that. And I will set this to... Actually, I'll just pass this as it is. And this goes here, this goes there, here and there. What's up? Is buffering or something? Trouble with YouTube? Okay, that should redo the whole thing. That means over here on the game manager, I don't need to calculate the grids. I will leave that one there. And we go back over here. And here I'm calculating the grid right there. Calculate directions. I can call it over here. What am I using over here? Actually, for this, where are you? Slime patterns. This one. I can just kill. I'm using patellate. Okay. So here, instead of patent, when it we delete it, we create a new one. Yeah, that's why I was planning on make the grid variable in size. So what I'm going to do here is we set the size of the sprite was 21 and 15. So it should be 21,15. Actually, can I just call it from code? Mask bottom left right Let's just set it manually for now. 2115. Undefined value. On line 20. Oh, right there. This in the step of the manager, I can just kill this actually and delete the step, and the create also, we don't need this. It crashed. But exist. Okay. The issue is over here. That's correct. Let's just remove this. And that should be working in theory. There we go. Right? This time the room structure is very different. Really? You got stuck? Seriously, I thought I had it. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. I thought I should do a better job, but it doesn't quite do it correctly. What to do, what to do? That's because I forgot to delete this. Okay. I got stuck. This one kinda works, but not quite. I got stuck again. I think the main issue is that the grade is not being calculated correctly. I believe that's the biggest issue here. It takes it a while, but eventually managed to get through. Yeah, something off, something soft here. Hmm. Yeah, it keeps hitting the boxes for some reason. Hmm. Yeah, because I see some weird stuff also. Like these ones right here. You can see these cells are nowhere near the wall, but they are still getting marked as if they were next to the wall. Yeah, I can just check the code I uploaded for the prototypes on Patreon. I can just pull the code from there. Hmm. Okay, let me check something. How about I... Yeah, I could make it use it when there is no path. Correct path. The issue is that it will still get stuck. If I set this to like that, how about that? Yeah, the walls are a little bit off from what I can see. It's not exactly where it should be. Like by one or something. Or two. Maybe just one. Yeah. Maybe this algorithm I made is... There is something wrong here. We start at 0, we check the collision. X and Y. So this should be 0. And then we will get... on the edge. Maybe I'm missing unequals here. Not quite. It's like it's off by one vertically. Why is that? It should start on 0. And that is correct. Hmm. Maybe it's because I'm checking this position right here. That should be correct technically. So this should be 16. Maybe I should half this. So we start on... No. This is the correct position, right there. This is the top right, left corner. So this I need to add this over 2. And this over 2. Like that. That should give me correct. I don't see a difference. Huh. Is it because I'm starting on 0, maybe? Should I start this on 1? Ooh, that was pretty close. But not quite. Yeah, it's not that. That is correct, so... This is just checking per pixel. Okay. No, there is no option for that. To keep the distance, you will think that you will have some type of collision detection for the path, but it seems like not. Okay. Hold on, let me check the map for a moment. Let me hide instances Was manual, walls, and walls. If we got just the walls, how about if I do it like this? They are there, but I cannot see them. Lovely. Not what I wanted to do. What do I do here? Yeah, like that is of like a little bit here and there. Huh. That's almost correct. The only... Hold on. Maybe an issue with the E? Wait, why is my computer lagging all of a sudden? This else is unnecessary. I was going to check this, but I'm not saving it. Huh. I could just This is so weird. Why is not working? It should be working. Why is not working? Object manager. Uh, Walls, they should be working like that. Aux map ID, they should be most X and most Y. And I'm going to simply draw text this comma string aux. Let's see. Okay, so I put it a little bit too close to the mouse. 1 second. Okay, let's see. So, that's interesting. Huh. It actually seems to be off on Y by 1. Huh, that's odd. Let me hide the grid so I can see a little bit better. Yeah, it's off by 1. Huh. You should start in 1. What about if I just started on -1? Oh wait, I need to enable the grids. Huh, even though I set it to -1, it's still actually, hold on. Like this. Now it's way more precise. Like ridiculously more precise. I don't know YDF is more precise now. But it works. Hmm. Okay. What the hell? Okay, let me enable this. The barrels also seems to be off by 1 or 2 or 100. Hmm. Hold on, I believe I set some barrels up ahead. Right here. Do you see that? How the collision goes slowly off as we go down? Huh. That's weird. How about let me check this 1 second. Timeout players, timeout exist. Let me add this so I'm not getting so many error warnings. What? It takes 2 arguments. Player mark, element ID. Okay, I can switch this. Actually, I can rewrite this like this. That way I won't get with so many warnings. Okay, maybe if I make this not so precise false. Let's check. Now that looks way better, but still not quite correct. If it was an issue with the grid size, you wouldn't see stuff like this, where you can clearly see that the barrel is not centered correctly. It looks like here also we are off by a bit. It should be doing stuff like this, but it's not. I could just add them like this using this function. But that sounds like quite the work. So I would need to basically make a function to detect. Basically, I will be making this. But manually. Okay. Function add underscore object read underscore path underscore object. What I'm going to do is use this thing over here. The grid is going to be the global grid. And the trick is that the grid height should be 1 pixel lower. Well, that would be true if, for example, this function, I made it, right? I created this one. That is the one that adds the tile set to the grid. The issue is that I didn't make the one that adds the objects. So if it's off by 1, I cannot actually update this function. Oh, the self-height? The self height is off by 1. The self height is off by 1. Self-hate is off by 1. You mean this one? But it's the same as the... Self-hate is off by 1. Yeah, the issue is that it seems that the off part is actually inside this function, the one that calculates where to place the blocks for the objects. It's not really an issue with the grid. And this one I didn't make. This is from Game Maker. Okay, what was I thinking again? Maybe. I believe this is the collision box, if I remember correctly. These ones. I just need to grab the one for the fall mechanic. Fall mechanic. Do I have it here? Not this one. This is get sprite. Generate tokens. Get terrain. Reset player is dead, melee breakable, item stuck, not here. Was it movement? Base target, check direction, pick up, H check, this one. Here I did it all by calculating these values, which was a nightmare. Okay. I will trust Game Maker once more. So this asks for top left and bottom right, right? Is that what it says? Left side. Okay, right side. Top and down. Okay. So this should be left side, right side, top and down. Right? So I could technically do something like this. Where are you? Not here on pathfinding. Instead of this, I can do width and that, and then I just say barrel. And that should work? Question mark? It didn't quite do what I expected, but almost. 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 Okay. The problem is the it looks like the same, right? It looked the same. Add 1 to the grid height. You mean here in the pixels? Is that what we wanted? Vertical center amount? That would mean when I generate the grids. Pathfinding, calculate grids. So to add 1 here, you mean like this? It looks mostly the same. Kinda. I just need to add to, let's make a variable correction equals to 10 minus 10, and I will add it to the top and the bottom. That almost did it, but not quite. Huh. Maybe if I enter that, what about just 8? That looks almost perfect, actually. Will he get stuck there? It didn't. How about if I do this? He's not getting stuck, which is good. Ah, there he got stuck. Maybe the trick here would be change the grid size to 16. Like this. Hey, he got stuck on the crate, but that's normal because I haven't added the face to the pathfinding. It's actually pretty good. Yeah. Maybe if I set it to slightly different values. Pathfinding. Correction underscore top. Toop. Top. And bot. Correction. How about we left this at 0 for now? That looks very good. Well, maybe not quite good enough. For example, I can see this area shouldn't be marked. Maybe by set it to -4. It would be nice. When you get stuck, yeah, we could use the old script for sure. That's not quite good. Huh. Yeah, it's starting to get stuck there. Okay, from above it seems to be working fine. The issues from below. Yeah, it gets stuck there. If I set this to 0, that shouldn't allow it to get stuck over here now, right? Yeah, now it doesn't get stuck. Let's see, how about if I go all the way over here? It's navigating pretty well. Ah, did you get stuck? That's odd. It should not be stuck there. Yeah, but the center of the... What is that the issue? Let me check. How are the sprites for the movement? Movement. What's the collision masks? That... Those look nice. Maybe this should be 1 pixel up. Okay. Maybe that was the issue. How about if I go over here? Okay, it seems like it's not getting stuck anymore. Well, I say that as... Oh, it didn't get stuck. Yeah, I think maybe this is correct. Let me try adding the rest of the objects. Well, we have barrel, it's great. Tree. Yeah, it seems to be doing fairly fine. Yeah, that's true. Maybe I will just add the all cost for when it gets stuck in a red zone. Like if I wait it into jump into the red, like that. Now it's stuck. Okay, it seems like we figured out the pathfinding. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to stop here because it's late. Yeah, this was quite frustrating, for sure. Ah, yeah, at least it's over for now. Another do not touch. I have the feeling that we're going to need to modify this again when I introduce a new enemy. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to touch it again. Yeah. Well, at least I had somewhat of a solution to all the issues. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm gonna stop here. So let me switch back to my room. Okay. I have my cup. Yeah, I got my cup from the gacha today. Yeah, it's different. I actually like this one more than the other ones. For sure. Let me do a bit something silly. They're actually pretty similar. Do I have more of this? I have this one. It's the same. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I have more. Not that. Not those. Well, I have this one. Ah. And I have this one. 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 Ah. And this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. Ah. What else? Do I have anything more? I have this one. Also. I also have this one. And do I have anything more? Yes, I have this one. What else? I have this one. Is this one different? No, it's the same. Is this... No, that's the same. I have this one. Which is more on theme with me. Hold on. What else? I have this one. And this one. And that's it. That's all the beverage I have. Let me put this one down. What do you think? Nice? Nice? Let me move a little bit to the center. Come over here. Hold on. I'm gonna take a screenshot. And one more. Okay. Yes, between sodas, cokes, teas, iced teas, coffees, chocolate. Okay, I'm going to stop here then. I think I had enough drinks for today. Okay, I will see you then on Thursday for Ultra Kill. Okay, bye bye, good night. Bye bye, bye bye. Yeah, go ahead. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, bye. Goodbye. Night night. Bye.